a refugee that came back with the Fugees from a third world country. I go back like when Pac carried crates for Humpty. We need a whole club chasing. Why the CIA wanna watch you go and be a Haitians? I ain't built in some musical transaction. Whoop, whoop, so whoop, no more do we snatch rope. Refugees run the seas cause we own our own boat.